Hey Math Aces, and welcome to Mr. Ace Math. In this video, we're going to go over a simple example of how to subtract unlike fractions. And just so you know, unlike fractions are fractions that have different denominators, just like we have here. Before I even do anything, I'm going to line up the fractions one on top of the other, like this. And then we'll have to do 3 simple steps. Step number 1. We need to make sure we find the LCD. These letters LCD stand for least common denominator. And all that is just the least common multiple for the denominators in your fractions. Our top fraction is 5/6. In that fraction, the denominator is 6. And in this bottom fraction, 5/8, the denominator is 8. So we're really focusing on the numbers 6 and 8. And we're going to find the least common multiple for those numbers. So what's the least common multiple for 6 and 8? Well, that's 24. Now that we're done with step 1, we're going to have to go to step 2, which is to use that LCD to create equivalent fractions. To create equivalent fractions, we have to change the numerator the same exact way that we changed the denominator. Let's look at our first fraction, 5/6. 6 times what equals 24? Well, that's times 4. And since we multiplied the bottom of the fraction by 4, we'll do the same exact thing to the top. So we'll have 5 times 4, and that equals 20. So 20/24 is equivalent to 5/6. Let's look at our next fraction, 5/8. 8 times what equals 24? Well, that's 3. Since we multiplied the bottom of the fraction by 3, we have to do the same exact thing to the top. So we'll multiply 5 times 3, and that equals 15. And that means that 15/24 is equivalent to 5/8. Now that we've got our equivalent fractions, we can go to step 3, which is to subtract the numerators. So let's set up our subtraction. So what's 20 minus 15? That's 5. And since our denominator is 24, we'll just keep that the same, making our final answer 5/24. I hope this helps, Math Aces. If you have any questions at all, make sure you leave them in the comments below. I'd love to help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in math class.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Questions? Comments? Leave them down below.
And thanks for using Mr. Ace Math. Don't just pass math, ace it.